Hi guys, we're from babygizmo.com and today we're going to show you the rescue ladder unit.
By Playmobil. Fun feature for your Playmobil people.
The cool thing about it is that it's got rubber wheels and so it won't scratch your floors when your kids play with it. See? So it's got two people, a ladder that actually goes up, and around. There's a fire extinguisher. And we really wish the doors open because it's really hard to get them in and out.
And the hats come off. It has lights and sirens. It has lights and sirens.
It also came with a hose, a megaphone, and some pieces up here.
Oops, but we lost those pieces.
So if you like Playmobil, this is a great truck to have. See you next time on Baby Gizmo. Bye!
Bye!
Wait! Did you subscribe? If you didn't, subscribe now. And we also have more toys coming. You never know what's coming.